no, Lucas.
What?
Chew up your food first.
What, Daddy?
Chew up your food first. I got some sad news.
What?
Chew up your food.
Eat candy.
Lucas,
What?
I think Mommy ate all your candy. Lucas, can you forgive Mommy? Can you forgive Mommy? You can. Do you still love her? Do you still love Mommy? Can I go look one more place? Let me go look one more place, okay? Sit down in your chair. Can you forgive Mommy for eating all your Halloween candy?
She ate all my candy.
Did you work hard for that candy? Did you work hard for it?
Sadie said I don't have a bunch of candy.
Let me go look, okay? Let me go look one more place.
And another place.
But this is Daddy's candy. See? That's all mine.